Understanding TG and material science explained. Imagine a material that can switch from being as hard as glass to as soft as rubber just by changing the temperature. That's what the glass transition temperature, or TG, is all about. It's a key property in the study of polymers and composites. TG marks the temperature where a polymer changes from a rigid, glassy state to a more flexible, rubbery state. Unlike melting, which turns a solid into a liquid, the glass transition is a gradual change. It affects how the material behaves mechanically, like how stiff or stretchy it is. Below TG, the polymer chains are tightly packed and have very little movement. This makes the material brittle and hard, similar to glass. When the temperature rises above TG, the chains gain mobility and the material becomes soft, flexible, and rubber-like. This transition influences properties like how much a material can stretch or resist impact. Knowing the TG of a polymer helps engineers decide if it's suitable for specific uses. For example, in 3D printing, polymers need to be heated above their TG to become soft enough to shape. Once cooled below TG, they harden and keep their shape. This is essential for creating strong, stable parts. Polymers can be amorphous or semi-crystalline. The glass transition mainly occurs in the amorphous regions, which are less ordered. Semi-crystalline polymers also have a melting temperature, or TM, which is higher than TG. TM marks the crystalline parts melting from solid to liquid. TG is especially important in industries like automotive and aerospace. For example, car parts made from polymers with a high TG can withstand engine heat without deforming. Similarly, aerospace components often need a high TG to stay stable at high temperatures. In simple terms, TG is the temperature where a polymer shifts from being a hard, glassy material to a soft, rubbery one. It guides how materials are chosen, processed, and used in different applications. Whether designing a flexible rubber seal or a sturdy engine part, understanding TG helps ensure the right material is used for the job.